Hey guys, hi, this is Tulsi. Welcome back to my channel. I share videos related to art, DIY, creativity on this channel. So if you are interested in it, do consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so before starting today's video, I'll really like to thank you all for showing such great response for my doodling videos. So few people have requested me to continue doodling videos and share few doodling videos. So here I am sharing with you my another doodling video. It is completely beginner friendly and I hope you like it. Let's get started.
Okay, so this is a very easy pattern. What I'm doing here is drawing two lines, one vertical and horizontal, as in a plus, and then from here in each box I draw a pattern. The pattern is like I draw a line which opens at one end and repeat the pattern completely till it fills the box. Something like this. I do the same thing for the rest of the boxes and it creates such superb patterns. I'm completely obsessed with these lines and this Zentangle patterns. The one who follow me on Instagram knows I've used this a lot, many times. So yes, if you have not followed me on Instagram, do go and follow me on Instagram. I will leave the link for the same in the description box below. Okay, so here another pattern with same method, just the initial lines were drawn different. And ta-da! You can even add curves in these boxes and then you can take ahead the internal lines in the same curves. The pattern looks too pretty and I'll show you later on where did I use all these patterns. Once you get an idea, these 3D patterns look beautiful and they are so easy to do when you are free and just don't feel like doing anything. So yeah, another box with another set of lines drawn differently and the same way of drawing the lines continued. You might have noticed that every pattern is different just because of the initial lines that are created. So this is how I use these Zentangle patterns to decorate my room and it looks completely pretty on the walls. I've also used it in my few sketches or in my sketchbook. So yeah, here is the pattern that I've used. I used colored pens for it, same way, and these pattern look so beautiful in every color. You can play with your creativity in it. Okay, so the next pattern is again super easy, just drawing few curved lines and filling the box. Doing it with fine liner pens make it look more delicate and beautiful at the same time. So use fine liners for this. The previous patterns you could have used sketch pens also. The next pattern I'm just drawing straight lines and giving it some angle and then filling the box. Okay, so the next pattern is spirals. You consistently make spirals close to each other and the trick over here is use fine liner pens. I'll leave the link for the pens in the description box below. If you wish to buy it, go and click over the link. The next pattern is just few simple vertical and horizontal lines placed alternately, and such easy patterns drawn consistently in the box makes it look very pretty as well as beautiful at the same time. Later on, to make these patterns look more beautiful, you can add colors to it. I'm using a pencil for shading, so instead of pencil you can use colors. It's all up to you. So this is where I use these Zentangle patterns. I created a doodle storyboard, and to fill the background I use these Zentangle patterns, which look very beautiful when they all come up together. Moving on to few more patterns. This one is kind of floral. I've just drawn few petals inside the box and filling the petals with lines. So I'm using fine liners as well as sketch pen for this. And once it all is done, it looks beautiful again. Okay, for the next pattern, I've just drawn some wavy lines touching each other at a point, and the shapes created from it, I fill it with the lines as shown in the video. And there you go. It's so easy and still it looks beautiful. Okay, for the next pattern, I've just drawn few lines randomly in the box and then connecting these lines from one point to other with few other lines as shown in the video, and it looks beautiful once it's completed. This pattern is fun. I've drawn a butterfly in pencil and then drawing horizontal lines. Where the lines are drawn on butterfly, I've given a bit of curve to the lines, and once the lines have been drawn, I'll rub off the pencil markings and it just gives a 3D effect to the pattern. You can try it with other shapes too. It looks beautiful. Okay, so here are a few more Zentangle patterns. They are completely beginner friendly and easy to try. So I hope you try it out. Since the video is getting a bit longer, I have increased the speed of the video, but still the patterns are explanatory, I hope, from the video. You just need few pens, fine liner pens for that matter, or if you don't have fine liner pens, you can use black ball pen and sketch pens too, but sketch pens don't give that delicateness to the patterns. So the thinner the pen, the more beautiful your pattern will look. And also hit the creative side of your brain and use these patterns wherever possible. You can use them in creating cards, making backgrounds, or whatever and wherever possible. If you use these patterns making something beautiful, do share your work with me on Instagram. So yes, go and follow me on Instagram. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel. It will help me grow. And also suggest in the comment sections below what other videos will you like to see on this channel. Do let me know if you like these patterns and did you try it out? Was it fun trying these patterns? In the comment section below.
Okay, so I've tried to keep all the Zentangle patterns completely beginner friendly. They are completely easy to try. So do try it out and let me know how did it turn out to be. Also, do let me know if you wish to watch more such videos in the comment section below. If you like today's video, hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. If you wish to watch more doodling videos, go and click over here. If you wish to watch other art videos on my channel, go and click over here. And for subscribing to my channel, go and click over here. Please do subscribe to my channel, it means a lot. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon below so that you get notified whenever I come up with a new video. Until then, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, take care.